Normalization of deviance is a subtle but powerful phenomenon. It describes how unacceptable behavior or practices slowly become accepted as normal within a group or organization. This shift occurs gradually, often without conscious awareness, as individuals become desensitized to deviations from initial standards. Imagine a workplace where deadlines are routinely missed. At first, this might be met with concern and corrective action. However, if this pattern persists without consequence, the team may start accepting missed deadlines as the new norm. This acceptance, even begrudgingly, marks the start of normalization of deviance. The normalization of deviance can have dangerous implications, particularly in fields where safety and ethical conduct are paramount. When deviations from established protocols become normalized, the risk of accidents, misconduct, and systemic failure increases significantly. Recognizing the subtle signs of this phenomenon is crucial to maintaining high standards and preventing potentially catastrophic outcomes. The insidious nature of normalization of deviance lies in its gradual progression. It often begins with seemingly insignificant deviations from established norms or protocols. These small compromises, rationalized as shortcuts, may seem harmless at first. However, each accepted deviation chips away at the foundation of established standards. This gradual erosion often goes unnoticed until a significant event exposes the accumulated risk. Everyday manifestations of deviance. Normalization of deviance is not confined to high-stakes environments. It can permeate various aspects of our lives in subtle ways. Consider traffic violations. A driver might habitually exceed the speed limit, justifying it by saying everyone does it. Initially, this may not seem consequential. However, unchecked, it can increase the risk of accidents. Similarly, students who plagiarize small portions may normalize this behavior, jeopardizing their integrity. These examples highlight the pervasive nature of normalization of deviance. Recognizing and addressing deviations is crucial to prevent the erosion of standards.
Complacency fosters an environment where warning signs are ignored, increasing the likelihood of significant negative outcomes. In financial institutions, overlooking minor ethical breaches can create a culture where fraud becomes more likely. The perils of complacency lie in its ability to blindside individuals and organizations. This complacency can stem from a false sense of security, pressure to maintain productivity, or lack of accountability. The consequences of such complacency can be severe. In healthcare, failure to follow hygiene protocols can have life-threatening consequences.
Combating normalization of deviance. Combating normalization of deviance requires a multifaceted approach that emphasizes awareness, accountability, and a commitment to maintaining high standards.
Organizations and individuals must cultivate a culture that encourages open communication and does not tolerate deviations from established protocols, no matter how small. Implementing robust reporting mechanisms that allow individuals to voice concerns without fear of retribution is crucial.
Additionally, regular audits and reviews of existing practices can help identify areas where deviations have become normalized, allowing for timely corrective action. Perhaps most importantly, fostering a culture that values ethical conduct and unwavering commitment to safety is paramount.
This requires strong leadership that sets a clear example and empowers individuals to challenge deviations from established norms.
Ultimately, combating normalization of deviance is an ongoing process that demands vigilance, a commitment to continuous improvement, and a refusal to accept complacency.